What's up guys, AK with DCC Train. This is Atheron Genesis Barcode, very rare locomotive. I switch bulbs with LEDs. Couple of tips I want to show you. Original soundtracks decoder board. Unfortunately, I cannot use common plus for 1.5 volts here and there because LED is even not starting with that voltage. So I have to use, in this case, I'm using one of the rail. So I put two resistors, and if you have questions about how it's working, I'm glad to draw a diagram. And it works perfectly fine. So I have four LEDs up front and four LEDs in the rear, but only two resistors. And they not affecting when each other, means LEDs, when the ditch lights start alternating. So here is my current keeper right there. It's plenty of space, and I'm using 0402 LEDs. Of course, I put Kapton tape, replace whatever tape they have, and it works perfectly fine. So questions about wiring, all that diagram, I'm glad to show you. Thanks for watching, supporting business. If you'd like to support channel, please join membership. Have a good one. Bye bye.